Hello everyone, newest addition to the Hello Birdie team, Ari here. So today we are going to be doing some Halloween inspired nail art using these colors. So to start, I am just putting an all white base all over the nail tip and then doing a vertical line down the center of the nail and then drawing a smile line. And now I'm just filling in the upper left portion of the nail and the lower right portion in all black. So for the pumpkins to start, I am drawing a general outline and then proceeding to fill it in with the light orange color. So now that we have the general shape for the pumpkin down, we are going to go in with that brown color and just further add in a little bit more detail, do the outer rings of the pumpkin and give it a little bit more shape. And now that that portion's done, I am just going to put a little bit of light yellow on the upper portions of the pumpkins just to give it a little bit more dimension. After that, I went ahead and drew a little stem on the pumpkin. And then now I'm doing a little vine coming from the pumpkins just to give it a little bit more of a fall feel and kind of incorporate a little bit more fall colors into this. To finish, let's add some matte top coat and voila, you drew pumpkins.